So today we will discuss about the solution of a linear equation. So solution of a linear equation of one variable, we already know that there is only one solution, that is unique solution. But the solution of a linear equation in two variable instead of one, two variable. So how many solutions will be there? Let's see here. So first of all, take one example. Let's take one example, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 is one linear equation, two variable. Now there will be, as we can see, that there is a two variable, that is x and y. So for each value of x there will be different value of y. For each value of x there will be different value of y. For example, if I'll put for say x equal to if I'll put x equal to 2, then 2 to the 4 and 4, so 3y is equal to 6 minus 4, 2 to the 4 will come here, that is 6 minus 4, that is 2, and y is equal to 2 upon 3. So the value of y is 2 upon 3. Likewise for x is equal to, if I put x equal to 1 here, if I put x equal to 0, let's take 0. So 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 6, then 3y is equal to 2 into 0 is 0, 6, and y is equal to 6 upon 3, 2. So likewise, if we put multiple values of x, we will get the values of y, or if you put value of x, there will be value of y. So for each value of x or each value of y, there will be corresponding variables of the other, and this will be written in the form of, that is 2 upon 3. So this is a value of x, y, so this is called the coordinate. It's 0, 2 is another coordinate. So these are the solution of this linear equation. Now as we know that the number never ends, so similarly there will be endless solution of this linear equation, because as far as we'll put the value of one variable, the value of other variable we will get. Now how we can plot this equation, how we'll represent this solution graphically. So let's take one example, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So for example, we'll have one equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now one coordinate of this is x equal to 3. If you put x equal to 3, then we'll get y equal to 2. So x is equal to 3, y equal to 2. So 3, 2 is one coordinate. Similarly, if you put x equal to 0, y equal to 4. So 3, 2, 0, 4. These are the two coordinates. Now how we can represent this? Let's see here. X equal to 3, y equal to 2, that means the point is here. X equal to 0, y equal to 4, that means the point will be here. So if we calculate some more points, let's take 0 and 2. So x equal to 0, y equal to x equal to 0, y equal to 2. So we will have one point, or let's take another point here. So as soon as we'll take a point in a line here, and we draw a straight line, so we'll find that all the points, all the solution of this equation will be there on the line. That it means that whichever point lies on the line, that point is actually a solution of this linear equation, or we can say that the solution of this linear equation will be in a form of straight line. So this is called as a graphical representation of a linear equation in two variable. Thank you so much.